go, girl. Look at that highlight. Yes. I'm a glow getter. Oh my God. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Amanda, coming at you with a brand new video. But before we get into today's video, you should go ahead, I'll give you a second, hit that subscribe button, takes 2 seconds. You might as well click that little bell so then you get notified every single time I post, because trust me, you don't want to be missing anything. So today's video is going to be a haul type video, but it's all the things that I bought on Boxing Day sales. Well, Boxing Week sales, Boxing 2 week sales, Boxing sales for a long time. But most of you know that I was in Ontario for Christmas this year to spend it with my family, which was amazing. I just did my what I got for Christmas video. I'll leave that linked down below so you can see all of the great, cool, fancy, wonderful things that I got for Christmas from all of the people who love me. So I did go to a few stores, and yes, I don't have any of the bags left because, hello, I had to pack and jam and squeeze as much things as I could into my suitcase. But oh my gosh, of course, I did not have enough room. It was just crazy. And I just want to add quickly that I did amazing. I did not spend a ton of money at all, and I was still able to get the things that I wanted for people. And that's a really good feeling because trust me, I have been there where I'm like,
oh my gosh, like, what am I gonna do? Like, how am I gonna live? How am I gonna survive? How am I gonna eat? I'm not gonna have any money till freaking July.
So enough with the chit chat, let's jump right into this Boxing Day haul. So I did go to a few stores. I went to Stitches, Urban Planet, and Giant Tiger, I think, you know, the good old GT boutique. Yeah, that's what I call Giant Tiger. And in all of those places, they were having pretty good sales. So the first place I'm going to start out with is the GT Boutique. Before Christmas, my pre-Christmas shopping for me, I found a beautiful men's flannel shirt. I will link that video down below as well because you might want to see what I'm talking about. So of course I wanted to go there after Christmas to see if maybe they had some more or if they were on a little bit of a deal, but really they were already super cheap, like just on a regular day. So I did end up grabbing myself another men's large tall. You see that? Yep, tall, because then it makes it long enough to be able to wear it as a flannel shirt dress or still make it short enough to put tights on so it doesn't look crazy. So I got this one. It's got beautiful gray tones in it with a little bit of like a purpley brown. I really thought this was cute. It is a little bit masculine, I think, but I love it. It's gonna look adorable, and it's always kind of cute when you take like a masculine shirt and like feminize it. I think that's hella cute. I feel like this is a little bit of a copycat of the other video because I also had to pick up a gray super long tank top. Like these definitely go like a good distance past my butt. So these come in handy wearing the flannel button shirt dresses or even anything that you can have on that has buttons or anything like that. This, oh my gosh, and I have been searching for super long tank tops, and I also got a white one because these are amazing for layering as well. Oh, love them. And these were $6 regular price, but they were on the clearance rack. Yes, so I got them for $3. And I had no idea actually that they were going to be cheaper than $6. I kind of just got surprised when I was at the cash, because when it rang up I was like, I'm getting 2 for $6. That's okay in my book. So when I went to Urban Planet, oddly enough, I didn't really see anything that I kind of didn't already have. Isn't that sad? Oh my gosh. But I'm not gonna beat myself up because it's cheap and hella cute. So I only really seen this guy right here. I thought it was adorable, and it was 80% off, and the regular price was like, I believe $12. So 80% off, I'll throw that on the bottom of the screen there. It's adorable. Isn't that so cute? I seen it and I said, oh my gosh, I need that on my head this winter. I think I'm actually going to wear it for the remainder of this video. Yes, girl, I got a cute
little penguin on my head. I got a cute little penguin on my head.
I saved Stitches for last because, oh my gosh, they were having amazing deals. I found things that I loved there, and something pretty freaking special happened. So if you watched my What I Got for Christmas video, I quickly mentioned that I've been looking crazily for any oversized jackets. I already have like an oversized, sorry, that was the J that fell because I can't, it just doesn't stay up. Anyways, so I already have like an oversized kind of bomber jacket with fur around the hood, so I'm okay on that. But I really wanted a oversized distressed denim jacket. Oh. And much like the over-the-knee denim distressed heels that I was crazily looking for, and I thought, I completely gave up, but I seen a oversized distressed denim jacket in Stitches, and oh my gosh, they were having amazing deals. So my mom bought it for me as an added Christmas gift, and oh my gosh, I was so excited and happy and thankful and grateful, and oh my goodness. So I finally have a oversized denim distressed jacket. It is adorable. I love it. There's some distressing down there at the bottom. Oh, I love it so much. I love it, I love it, I love it. This year I felt so blessed. And like, I feel blessed for you guys. I feel blessed for the holidays. I feel blessed for my family. I feel blessed for my Joshie. And I just want to say again, I know I sound like a broken record with that stuff, but I just appreciate you guys so much, and I love you, and thank you so much for everything. So I'm just gonna show the last two things I got from Stitches because I could go on and on about that, and I'm sure you all know that. So this next thing I grabbed, and I thought it was really cute, and I thought it would go really nice with pretty much anything. Like, you could dress this up, you could put just a tank top and some tights on and look like casual comfy, and I thought this like army green color is actually really nice, and I don't have many things that are this color, so I picked this up, and every single thing that I'm showing you was 60% off. Now, I know a lot of my hauls from Urban Planet and Stitches and things like that are usually like 40, 60, sometimes better off. But the difference is throughout the year on those sale times, all of the new stuff that like you would want to buy isn't even included in the deal. But this time, everything was. So if you wanted something that they just put on the rack like the other day, that was also 60% off. So that was really, really awesome, because that distressed denim jacket was like a new arrival, so my heart was breaking when I seen that. But no, the girl was like, don't you worry, honey, I got you. It's 60% off, because this denim jacket actually was $54.99 regular price. So I feel like it is nice and thick and heavy, but I feel that that's a bit expensive for Stitches, you know? Anyways, so these I seen like the first 5 seconds I was in the store and was like, oh my gosh. And of course I picked them up and I showed my parents, and they were like, holy crap, those are actually really, really neat. And I think they would fit your style really well. And they are these black, I don't know what I would call this. They're not tights, like they're a lot thicker, but they're kind of like dress pant material. Anyways, they're these dress pants, but they got these cuts with laces in them, which is awesome. I fell in love with these the second I seen them. Aren't they adorable? I can't wait to wear these and pair them with like other cool pieces that I have. I think these are gonna be like a staple in my wardrobe. Oh look, you can also wear them like this and like have, I'm gonna stop. Well guys, that brings an end to this short, small Boxing Day haul. That rhymed, I love it. I didn't really go crazy on Boxing Day sales because I did buy myself a few things before Christmas while I was Christmas shopping for other people. And like I said, that'll be linked down below. What I got for Christmas will be linked down below also. If you didn't see those videos, more than likely you're not subscribed. So I really think you should hit that subscribe button really quickly and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post. And while you're down there, follow me on all my socials. Why not? Those are pretty lit too. But with all that being said, guys, I am going to mosey on out of here, but don't you worry, because I will see your beautiful faces in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys! Bye fam!